In this video we are gonna see how to use replace option in MS Excel. In this dataset a few blank cells are available. As we check a few columns, blank cells can be seen. Instead of typing in every cell, we can use the replace option. It's time-consuming for data cleaning. We mostly see the empty cells and missing values for larger dataset. Before analyzing and visualizing the dataset, it's better to clean the data. Let's get started. I am checking in which columns do we have blank cells. Select a column and then click on Find and select option. After that, click Replace option. A window pops up after clicking on Replace option. Next, click on Replace All option. After clicking on the Replace All option, it will show you how many values are replacing. Over here I am replacing the blank cells with text called unknown. Leave the first option blank as I am filling up the blank cells with text. Next, in the second option, type unwanted to replace it in the blank cells. I have followed the same procedure for the rest of the columns and replaced them with text. This is how we can use the replace option in an easy way.